Hi guys! This is Jo and I'm sharing yung mga naging trabaho ko dito sa New Zealand. So for part-time, I had two. I worked in a Japanese warehouse, taga-print ng stickers, and guys, easiest job ever. And then, nag-work ako as a barista in Starbucks sa isang mall. So, sobrang pagod, laging busy. And then, naging intern din ako sa BNZ, one of the four largest banks here in New Zealand, as an insights analyst. Then, my first full-time role was in Xero, an accounting software. Ang role ko naman, customer experience specialist, focusing on all things security. And finally landed my role here at Unitech, tertiary institution naman siya, dual role ako. And for all the details like paano mag-apply, yung process, even salary, I'll share that in my full YouTube video. So please support, subscribe to Raketera Mama in New Zealand. Thank you for watching. Bye for now!